What if I told you that right now, there are websites generating traffic, subscribers, and monthly income, and many of their owners are willing to sell them? Today, I'm revealing a marketplace filled with over 103 online businesses available for acquisition. Some are in food, fashion, beauty, automotive, home and garden, software tools, and much more. But here's the crazy part. Many buyers don't realize they can negotiate directly with sellers. Let's dive in. Most people start online businesses the hard way. They spend months creating content, learning SEO, building audiences, testing monetization. Many quit before earning their first dollar. But successful investors often take a different approach. Instead of building, they buy. Instead of waiting, they acquire. Instead of guessing, they analyze existing data. More people are buying digital assets than ever before. Businesses are moving online. Advertisers continue increasing digital spending, and entrepreneurs are looking for shortcuts to growth. Owning an established online business can provide a head start. That's exactly what this marketplace allows. The online business acquisition market is flourishing, offering a wide array of websites across industries such as food, fashion, beauty, automotive, and software tools. Investors are increasingly choosing to purchase established businesses, sidestepping the lengthy process of building from the ground up. Attractive listings are characterized by consistent income, reliable traffic, subscriber bases, and reasonable valuations, all of which signal strong investment potential. In 2026, the digital